Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that why English speaking is very important in present era, why most of the people are curious to learn this language. Those countries where the English is not first language and they are teaching the English language subject to make their citizens able to speak English language at best level. You know that we are not limited to one place and this is the reason that the language of social media is also the English language, and most of the stuff in the world you will find in English language. So people are learning this language to get the knowledge of the world and to communicate with the other communities of the world, to understand the cultural things of different countries. You know that each and every country has its distant different rules and regulations, customs, rituals, religion, and in this way if you don't know the international language you will not be able to understand what others are doing and what is their cultures, and you cannot differentiate between your culture and their culture. So if you want to get a lot of information about the world and you want to know about different places of the world, then I think that English will help you a lot to explore the world. That is the reason that in most of the countries governments are teaching their citizens to improve the English language. There are a subject in all classes of English language, and in this way they are teaching their citizens to make them able to understand English language. Because you have seen that when any prime minister or president of any country visits to other countries, then he will have to give the lecture in English language. If he don't know the English language, if he does not know the English language, then he will have to hire the you can say that translator. So it is very awkward when you are speaking and other person is making the translation of whatever you are speaking in your national language. So I think that make yourself able, if you want to become a leading person of your country, then I think that you should know the English language. The person who have those have the leadership qualities should know the English language, because they have to meet with others nationalities, they have to meet with the NGOs, personalities of international level, and they can communicate with them through English language. If they don't know English language, then this will be the bad impact and they will not be able to understand what the other person is saying. However, the translator will make the translation of your language, but when other will speak, you will not understand in proper way. And if you yourself understand the English language, it will be best for you that you yourself would understand whatever the other person is saying. So I think that English is right now in this era very important, and if you want to explore the world, if you want to discover the world, if you want to expand your talent throughout the world, then this language will help you a lot. Because when you will make such as I am making this video in English language, and I know that the platform of this video is the whole world, especially the non-native countries, and there are so many non-native countries in the world. Those their English language is not the first language. They are learning the English language and their national language. We all people have the different national languages. We cannot understand each other national languages. So only the language which will make the bridge between us or among us is the English language. So my voice is reaching to non-native countries. My voice is reaching to you can say that English speaking countries. So in this way I think that I am making a video in English language, and if this channel is promoted by chance, then I can make another channels of entertainment where I will make the entertainment videos for the whole world, and people would understand, because this is the common language. And if I am working in my own language, that is good, that you should be work you should work in your national language, but your national language is limited to your country. The other countries are not understanding your language. If you have the talent of international level, then I think that you will have to master yourself in English language. Without knowing in English language, it is very difficult for you to show your talent on international level. Such as if you get any kind of opportunity on international level and you are asked or to join some international summit or conference, then where you will have to speak the English language. If you don't know the English language, then you will feel that I should not go there because I don't know the English language and I am not able to deliver the lectures in English language, so it is very difficult for me. So I think that if you want to go on international level, if you want to spread your talent on international level, if you want to join international NGOs, organizations, then I think that English is very necessary. As I will tell you that in the beginning when I started speaking English language, I was very shy about that when I will speak English language, I will make some kind of mistakes and people would laugh at me. So I was worried about and I never made any kind of video. But then finally I thought that mistakes are the part of our speech because we are non-natives, and main thing is that whatever lecture we are delivering, the message is reaching to other people. If others are understanding whatever you are saying, that I think it is okay. Your message is, your summary of your speech is reaching to others people. Instead of saying nothing, say something in wrong English, but in understandable English, that other person can pick whatever you are saying from your sentence. So if you are a beginner in English language, if you want to improve, if you are a non-native and you want to master yourself in English language, then I think speak English language on daily basis and don't feel shy while making the mistakes. Make mistakes and do the practice frequently. When you will do the practice frequently, then English will automatically comes out of your mouth. You will speak a lot of things in English language. So develop the habit of thinking in English language. When you will develop the habit of thinking in English language, then I think that English would come out from your mouth automatically. So this is the good thing, that practice. And with the practice, I think that interest is also required. If you are not interested to learn the English language, if you are not interested to go on international level, you don't have any kind of goal in front of you, then I think it will be difficult for you to improve the English language. Hope you find this video useful. Please hit the like button and before leaving, subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.